Yo, what are you doing right now? Let me tell you like this, right? Go and get MetaMask. Go and download that app. And once you download the app, add the Polygon network to your MetaMask, okay? Once you've done that, purchase $25 worth of MATIC, okay? Then, once you've done that, go to the browser, right? And go to the address VIP.TRYUNITY.LIFE. And once you're there, select the hyperlink
Come with me.
labeled Connect Wallet, right? Connect your wallet. Once your wallet's connected, it costs 20 MATIC to mint one VIP NFT, okay? Mint one or more if you choose. And then be prepared. Be prepared because there's blessings coming. There's giveaways coming. And join the Discord so that we can actually build a new heaven and new earth now together. See? Podcastro, try unity. Try unity. See? That's the way.